Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer marketing funnels from Builderall to System.io. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring your marketing funnels from Builderall to System.io, first log into your Builderall account. Navigate to the funnel section in the Builderall dashboard. Select the funnel you wish to transfer. Click on the funnel to view its details. Take note of each step within the funnel, including landing pages, email sequences, and any automation configured. Next, open a new browser tab and log into your System.io account. Once logged in, go to the Funnel section on the left-hand menu. Click on Create a New Funnel to start setting up your new funnel. Give your new funnel a descriptive name that reflects its purpose. Select the goal for your funnel, whether it's to collect emails, sell a product, or promote an affiliate offer. Now, refer back to your Builderall funnel and begin replicating the individual pages. Create each page in System.io by using the same templates or styles from Builderall. Make sure to copy the content, images, and any other elements accurately to maintain the design and messaging. After setting up the landing pages, move on to the email sequences. Navigate to the Emails section within System.io. Recreate your email automation by adding individual emails that mirror the ones from Builderall. Set the timing and triggers for each email based on your original sequence. Next, check any additional automations you had in Builderall. If you utilized any integrations, note them for replication in System.io. For each automation, ensure you replicate the settings and connections as closely as possible. Now, return to your System.io funnel and review all steps. Make sure each component is functioning as intended, from landing pages to email sequences. Perform a test run of your new funnel to identify any adjustments needed. Check all links, buttons, and email triggers for proper functionality. Once everything is confirmed to be working, your funnel is now ready for use in System.io. Consider creating backups of both versions for future reference or adjustments. Finally, begin driving traffic to your new funnel to start seeing results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.